We'll guide you through how to make windmill in Corel DRAW. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel DRAW on your computer. Click New Document to create a new file and prepare a blank workspace. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw the main shape that will serve as the base of your windmill design. After drawing the shape, use the Shape tool to adjust its form as needed, then convert it to curves so you can freely modify its nodes and edges. Next, copy and paste the shape to create a duplicate. Resize and adjust the duplicated shape while holding the Shift key to keep it centered and proportional. After positioning it correctly, use the Smart Fill tool to fill the object area. Change the color according to your preference to match your design concept. Drawing the bottom part of the windmill using the rectangle tool. Adjust its size and placement so it connects properly with the main shape, then change the color based on your preference. Next, draw a window using the rectangle tool and place it on the body of the windmill. Use the Shape tool to adjust the corners of the window, making them slightly rounded or shaped as desired. Add color based on your preference to make the window stand out. Copy and paste the window 3 times, then adjust the size and layout of each copy so they are evenly arranged on the windmill body. Draw the roof of the windmill using the Polygon tool. Choose the appropriate number of sides to form the roof shape, then add color according to your preference. Adjust the size and position of the roof so it fits properly on top of the windmill structure. Next, draw the windmill blades using the rectangle tool and position one blade extending outward from the center area. Add color based on your preference. Duplicate the windmill blade and mirror the object to create a balanced blade arrangement. Create the center point of the blades using the Ellipse tool and place it in the middle where the blades connect. Add color based on your preference. Arrange and adjust all object layouts until they are neatly aligned. Then select all objects and change the outline width to none.